Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to split the numpy array within the pycharm compiler. The language which we are using is the Python. Now first of all you need to import the main modular library for the numpy array creation. And how we can do that? We need to write import numpy as numpy. So what this import function will do, it will import numpy for us from the library folder to this main window, and we can access this numpy module with the help of this object, that is numpy. You can write any other name instead of numpy here. It is just for to access this numpy library or module. Now we need to write a variable, and we will write array01 or array0 is enough. So here we will write numpy dot array and two brackets and then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, or we can change them to 22, 43 and like 76 and two more 99 and 29. Okay, so these are some of the elements. Now what actually this second line means, you can see that we have these square brackets in which we have included some members. These are integer type members, but as there are square brackets on the sides, so we can say that there is a special data type which is called as list in the Python. So this data is actually in the list format. Okay, it is not the integer or array, we can say it is list. And now this list is inside the parameter bracket of this array function. And what this array function will do, it will take all this list and convert as it is into the numpy array. Okay, again I am repeating that array function will take all the things which is inside, which is in the form of list and inside these round brackets, and will convert them into the numpy arrays. And why we have this numpy dot? Because it shows that array function is actually associated or the part of numpy module or class. So this dot function will join, or it acts as, we can say that it acts as a calling bridge. Okay, in simple language, array function will connect with this numpy module with the help of this dot function. Okay, so after all this is done and all the data is converted into the numpy array, then it will be given to array underscore 0. Okay, and all the data will then be stored into array underscore 0 variable. Now we will print this array underscore 0 variable, and we will run it out, and we can see that we have all the data printed on the console. Now how we can split this array? Now again we will make one what's called as the splt variable. Okay, it is just a variable, we can write anything of our own choice here. Okay, it is just for to store all the things which are just happening or which are just producing on the right hand side. We will take all these things and we'll put all these things into this variable and nothing more. So we will write numpy dot array underscore split. This is a built-in function of the numpy library, we can say that. And here we will write the name of the array which is needed to be split, and then comma 2 array underscore splt numpy dot array underscore split array underscore 0 comma 2, and it will take this split function will read this array underscore 0, and comma 2 means that it will split this array into half, that is 122 43 on one side and 74 99 and 29 on the other side. So can it do? So okay, now uh, we will print this array as well. Now you can see that it is this function is converting this array into two parts, which is one is this part and one is this part. Okay, now, and all the things obviously once done are stored inside this array underscore split variable. And okay, and if you want to change it to like splt1, and here you also need to write splt1. So what's the name here must be here. Okay, so okay, now you can see that we have splitted our numpy array. So in this way you can do this all. Okay, now, so thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.